Have you ever wished you could turn your simple idea into a realistic 3D model without learning complicated 3D software? Well, that's exactly what we're doing today. I'll show you an AI tool that can transform text prompts, rough sketches, and even ordinary images into high-quality, production-ready 3D models in just a few clicks. I'll test its text-to-3D and image-to-3D features, explore how realistic the results can get, and see if it's actually worth using. If you want to create amazing 3D assets with AI, you're going to enjoy this one. Let's get started. The AI tool that I'm talking about is Neural 4D. It is an AI-powered tool that lets you create realistic 3D models without needing any professional 3D design skills. You can simply describe what you want with a text prompt or upload a regular 2D image, and the AI will turn it into a detailed 3D model in just a few minutes. One of the biggest highlights is the quality. It can generate impressive details like realistic textures, fine surface features, and other complex elements that would normally take a lot of time to build by hand. On top of that, the models are optimized and ready to use for things like 3D printing, animation, games, and other creative projects. Now, go ahead to sign up. Let's start exploring the platform and see what it can do. You'll also find all the useful links I mentioned throughout this tutorial in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll arrive at the main Neural 4D studio. Right away, you'll notice a gallery filled with 3D models created by other users. Feel free to browse through them if you're looking for ideas or inspiration, but for this tutorial, we're going to build everything from scratch. Towards the left-hand side, click on Text to 3D. This is the feature we'll use to generate a complete 3D model from nothing more than a text prompt. Inside the workspace, you'll find the prompt box where you describe the object you want the AI to create. To keep things simple, let's generate a fluffy Labubu toy. This is a great example because it lets us see how well the AI handles soft fur, smooth surfaces, and fine details all in one model. Also, if you lack ideas, simply click on the Try to Use button. Before generating, scroll down to the settings. First, enable Generate Textures so your model comes out fully textured instead of plain gray. Then turn on Generate PBR Textures, which adds more realistic materials and surface details, giving the final model a much more polished appearance. Select your mesh quality. I will simply go with High and leave the number of outputs to 1. Once everything is set, click Generate and give the AI about a minute or two to process your request. And just like that, our first 3D model is ready. That was surprisingly quick, especially considering the level of detail it managed to produce. Once it's open, you can freely rotate the model, zoom in, and inspect it from every angle. This makes it easy to check the overall quality and see how well the AI interpreted our prompt. Looking at the result, I'd say it did a really good job. The fluffy fur around the head looks convincing, while the rest of the body has a smooth finish, just as we requested in the prompt. It's impressive to see how accurately the AI captured those different materials. Zoning in shows you the high-resolution details of this 3D object. This is super cool. On the left, you have several viewing options that let you change how the model is displayed. And you can even enable auto-rotation if you want the model to spin automatically while you inspect it. If needed, you can also optimize the mesh to improve performance or download the model in several popular formats like OBJ, STL, and others, making it easy to use in your favorite 3D software or for 3D printing. Before we move on to the image to 3D feature, I want to push this tool a little further. So this time, instead of using a simple prompt, I'm going to test it with a much more detailed description to see how well it handles complex instructions. For this example, let's use the following prompt. A futuristic brushed titanium mechanical owl with polished chrome wings, glowing blue energy lines, intricate exposed gears, precision-engineered joints, engraved metallic patterns, and ultra-realistic PBR materials with subtle scratches, reflections, and worn edges. Now I'll click Generate. The AI immediately begins processing the request and starts building the 3D model. After about a minute, the result is ready. Take a look at this. The level of detail is genuinely impressive. The metallic surfaces look clean and realistic. The reflections and material finish are well defined, and even the smaller design elements have been captured beautifully. This model has a very polished look, and it's amazing to see this level of quality generated from nothing more than a text prompt. Now let's move on to one of my favorite features, Image to 3D. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a popular meerkat meme I found online. It's a great example because it allows us to see how well the AI can understand and reconstruct a more complex image into a realistic 3D model. I'll upload the image, and just like before, I'll enable Generate Textures and Generate PBR Textures so the final model has realistic colors and materials. Once everything is ready, I'll click Generate and let the AI work its magic. After about a minute, our model is finished. Now, take a look at this. As I rotate the model, you can see that the AI has done much more than simply add thickness to a flat image. It has actually reconstructed the subject into a proper three-dimensional model with convincing depth and realistic details. But let's take this a step further. Instead of converting the entire image exactly as it is, I want the AI to generate only the meerkat as a standalone collectible-style figurine without the toothpick using Neural 4D 2.0. To do that, I'll upload the same image again, but this time I'll include a prompt instructing the AI to isolate only the meerkat while removing the toothpick and any other distracting elements. This is where combining an image with a text prompt becomes really powerful, because it gives the AI much clearer instructions about the final result you want. While the model is generating, it's worth mentioning that creating a high-quality asset like this is surprisingly affordable. Even better, the platform automatically generates optimized, watertight models, making them ideal for 3D printing with very little cleanup required. And here we have the preview. This already looks fantastic. Once the refinement process is complete, we get the final 3D model. Just look at this. The AI did an excellent job isolating the meerkat while preserving the important details and creating a clean, polished figurine that you can rotate and inspect from every angle. If you're planning to 3D print it, you're already one step ahead because the model has the proper thickness and is optimized for printing. Simply download it in your preferred format, import it into your slicer, and you're ready to print. I have to say, this is genuinely impressive. From generating detailed 3D models with a text prompt to transforming ordinary images into realistic collectible quality assets, Neural 4D performs incredibly well. And because you can guide the generation with additional prompts, you have much more control over the final output. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find all the links in the description below. I've prepared a special invitation code specifically for you. If you sign up using my code, you will receive 500 free credits to try out Neural 4D. I'd also love to hear what you think of this tool, so leave a comment with your thoughts or let me know what you'd create first. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.